Welcome. In this video, you're going to learn step-by-step how to hide Spaces notifications from showing up on your lock screen in the X app. If you've been getting too many reminders about Spaces that pop up when your phone is locked, this quick guide will help you keep things private and distraction-free. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's main settings. This is where you'll find all the tools to control how apps behave, including what kind of notifications they're allowed to show. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every application installed on your device. Find X app on the list and tap on it to open the settings for that particular app. Once you're inside the X app settings, tap on Notifications. Here's where things get more specific. You'll see different categories of notifications that the app can send. To fine-tune what you see, you'll need to go one layer deeper. Tap on Notification Categories. This will bring up a list of different types of alerts the X app uses. Find the category labeled Spaces. That's the one responsible for alerts about live or upcoming Spaces sessions happening on the platform. Now, tap on Spaces. Inside these settings, you'll find more detailed controls. Look for the option labeled Lock Screen. This is where you get to decide exactly how these notifications show up when your phone is locked. Finally, choose Don't Show Notifications. By selecting this option, you make sure that Spaces notifications will no longer appear on your lock screen. They won't pop up for anyone to see when your phone is idle, giving you more privacy and fewer interruptions. And that's all there is to it. Just a few quick steps and you've successfully hidden Spaces notifications on your lock screen. Remember, notifications will still be available inside the X app or in your general notification shade if you want to check them later. But your lock screen will stay clear of them, so your focus and privacy remain intact. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to apply these same steps whenever you want to manage other types of app notifications. It's a simple way to take full control over what shows up on your lock screen.